It's hot in there. Now, living on the International Space Station is really different from living here on Earth. So what happens if you want to become an astronaut master chef? On board the International Space Station, things are a bit different to an Earth kitchen. There's no food processors, there's no stove, no pots, pans, knives, toasters, or even kettles. There's no big food fridge, which means hardly any fresh fruit and veg. In fact, you won't find much from a domestic kitchen on board. All you get in a spaceship is a basic oven with 2 hot plates, which can heat up pre-packed or canned foods. And getting water is a bit different too. It's not like the space station is attached to the water mains. Instead, water is collected in the air conditioning ducts and even recycled from the toilets. So you're basically drinking from each other's urine. And it's this water that's used a lot in food. A pump heats and dispenses the recycled wee, which can then be used to rehydrate dried foods, but it's never going to be piping hot. Now, there are experiments taking place to grow plants in the space station, with the hope being that in the future, astronauts will be able to produce their own fresh foods. But the fact of the matter is that it's very difficult to cook anything in space. A few braver astronauts have tried it, but the chances of being a space master chef are really very slim. But this doesn't mean that astronauts can't eat fantastic food, because you can do the cooking for them. Everything the astronauts eat is prepared on Earth and sent into space on rockets. So have a think about delicious and nutritious food ideas that you can cook that can be reheated and enjoyed at a later date. This will be the perfect food for astronauts and means that maybe you could become a space master chef.